this is our first build your own story time, so I just want to explain a little bit about how this works. Normally, our storytime video includes our stories, our songs, and our rhymes all in one video. But to make it easier for caregivers to control the amount of screen time that their children are exposed to, we're going to be breaking it up into multiple videos. So each week, we'll bring you a story of the week, a song of the week, and a rhyme of the week in 3 separate videos. You're welcome to watch one or watch all 3. Our songs and our rhymes will be archived so that you can go back and watch them anytime. That way you can learn some new songs to enjoy with your family. So this week our theme is birds. Our book of the week is called Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine, just for one day, you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird! Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly, higher, higher, up, up in the sky. Show me how you flap your wings and fly. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch your neck. How high can you stretch? Say, hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Birds eat insects. Stand very tall on just one leg. Do you know what this bird is called? That's a flamingo. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing, tra-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. These birds are flightless birds. That means that even though they have feathers and wings and lay eggs, they can't fly. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Look at that beautiful peacock tail. Then cuddle up with your mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been, the funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day, cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night, to-wit, to-woo, hoo, hoo. That's an owl. Owls are nocturnal, so they're awake at night while we are sleeping. Thank you for listening to our story of the week, Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins and published by Candlewick Press. If you're interested in our song of the week and rhyme of the week, scroll down on our website to watch the other videos. And all the way down at the bottom, we have some activities for you to do as a family as well. Have a good week.